Hello students. In this part we will study about the greenhouse effect and ozone layer. What are the causes of depletion of ozone layer? We have left some topics between the soil pollution and greenhouse effect. Those topics are radioactive waste and organic chemistry. Organic farming. Why we have left these topics? Because due to the reducing syllabus by the CBSE 30%, these topics are removed from the syllabus. So the next topic is greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Human activity. Due to the human activity, CO2 can be produced. This CO2 becomes hot with the help of sunlight and light, so it raises up and form a blanket just above the earth's surface. Through these blankets the sun rays can pass, but the heat of the earth cannot escape from this layer. Thus the temperature of the earth rises. This is called greenhouse effect. Due to the human activity, CO2 gas is produced. This CO2 in sunlight becomes hot and light. गर्म हो जाती है और हल्की हो जाती है. It rises up and form a blanket above the earth's surface. Through this blanket the sun rays may pass, but the heat of the earth cannot escape from it. Thus, it rises the temperature of the earth. This is called greenhouse effect or global warming. This effect is also known as greenhouse effect as well as global warming. The main gases of this effect are कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो कि 60% काज करती है ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट का, मीथेन विच काजेज द 20%, CFCS क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स 14% and nitrous oxide 6%. What is greenhouse effect? As you know that this is the earth's surface. When due to the human activity CO2 produced in presence of sunlight, this CO2 becomes hot and light. It rises up and form a blanket just above the earth's surface. This is the blanket of CO2. Clear? Blanket. The sun rays can pass through this blanket. सन रेज जो है इस ब्लैंकेट से पास होकर के अर्थ सरफेस तक आ सकते हैं. You have already filled about in whenever your school off, you comes to the buses, all the glasses, all the mirrors of the all the glasses of the window are closed. Then you can feel that it is very hot. This is the greenhouse effect. क्योंकि glass has a particular property. Through the sun rays can pass, but the heat inside the buses cannot escape from it. Just like this greenhouse effect. sun rays can pass through this blanket. As these sun rays reach to the earth's surface, the surface becomes heat. This heat goes to upper but can't escape from this blanket. लेकिन ये हीट इस ब्लैंकेट से अपर बाहर नहीं जाती, क्या होगा, दोबारा इस अर्थ पे आ जाएगी और जिसके कारण से आपका टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हीट हो जाता है, ज़्यादा हॉट हो जाता है। इसी को क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट। इस ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट के अंदर मेन गैसेज जो है क्या है, CO2 जो 60% ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट में इवोल्यूशन करती है, मीथेन 20%, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन 14% एंड नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड 6%. There are the advantages and disadvantages of greenhouse effect. If there is no greenhouse effect on the earth temperature, जो average temperature 18 degree Celsius रहता है, if there is no greenhouse effect present on our surface, that remains very chill, minus 15 degree Celsius. The greenhouse effect due to the greenhouse effect, the average temperature of the earth which remains 18 degrees Celsius, average temperature. If there is no greenhouse present, if it is not present, then the temperature of earth will very chill, कितना, -15 डिग्री सेल्सियस। नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर कितना रहे, -15 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज नॉट suitable for surviving conditions. So greenhouse effect also has the advantages, and disadvantages of greenhouse effect is maximum. Disadvantages: number 1, due to the greenhouse effect, the earth temperature rise up. It increases the earth temperature. Number 2, due to the greenhouse or rising temperature, polar ice will melt. It melts the polar ice, और पोलर आइस मेल्ट होंगी तो वाटर का जो सी लेवल है अर्थ के ऊपर राइज अप. इट increases the sea level or water level on earth. और वाटर लेवल अर्थ पे राइज अप हो गया तो वाटर सी के आसपास जो सराउंडिंग एरिया में हैबिटेट है एनिमल्स का, दैट विल आल्सो इमर्स्ड into the water. Those will die. That is also bad effect. And third one, fourth one, in last 3 decades, पिछले 3 दशकों में, यानी पिछले 30 सालों के अंदर, the average temperature of Earth rose up 0.6 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इतना टेम्परेचर लास्ट 3 डिकेड्स के अंदर राइज अप हुआ. धीरे धीरे ये टेम्परेचर ज्यादा हो गया, क्लाइमेट कंडीशन चेंज हो जाएगी. दैट कंडीशन इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर सर्वाइविंग, विच मे कॉज आल्सो अल नीनो. यानी ड्यू टू राइज ऑफ टेम्परेचर, दिस राइजिंग टेम्परेचर कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड द सुटेबल कंडीशन फॉर सर्वाइविंग. यू हैव आल्सो रिटन दिस आफ्टर दिस. देन इट प्रोड्यूस द अल नीनो. अल नीनो, व्हाट इज अल नीनो? अल नीनो किसे कहते हैं? गर्म जल की धारा, मतलब वाटर राइज अप होगा. एवरेज टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता जरूर तो वाटर इवेपोरेट और वाटर के अंदर जो होगा टेम्परेचर भी इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो इस प्रकार की वाटर की जो वेव्स बनेगी उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अल नीनो. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज द हॉट वाटर this गरम जल धारा जिसको बोलते हैं, it produces the El Nino. This is the disadvantage of greenhouse effect. And in ozone, what is ozone? How is it depleted? And last part, reforestation, deforestation. We will study about the next two parts. All the substances, all the topics which we have, which I don't discussed, those will be removed from the syllabus by the CBS.